Over about the last 250 years, modern society has been unintentionally messing with the Earth's energy budget, changing our planet's climate. Basically, we have been dirtying the window that we call the atmosphere that allows transfer of radiation between the Earth's surface and outer space. Since the time of the Industrial Revolution, a larger and larger proportion of the world's population has been burning oil, coal, and gas, tearing down forests, and practicing both agriculture and industry in such a way that causes the atmosphere to fill up with heat-absorbing gases. The elevated levels of gases are intensifying the natural greenhouse effect of our atmosphere, so that a warming trend is happening faster now than any time in the last 650,000 years. If this human influence on climate change were not present, the Earth would most likely be in a cooling trend as part of a glacial period for the next 1,000 years or so. Scientists who study Earth's changing climate have a rather small set of data on which to figure out what the full impact on ecosystems and society generally will be in this apparent path of escalating temperature. Many questions are unanswered about the biological, social, political, and economic consequences of a warming atmosphere. What we do know from scientists who are cooperating worldwide and studying climate change is that there is no doubt that the climate system is warming, evident from all our observations. All over the globe, air and ocean temperatures are rising, glacial ice and snow are melting faster, and sea levels are rising. In the 12 years between 1995 and 2006, 11 of those made the list of the 12 warmest years on the record of worldwide temperatures that we've been keeping since before the American Civil War. 1999 was the hottest, until 2005, which was even warmer and brought New Orleans Hurricane Katrina. In 2009, that year was even hotter than 2005, and the preliminary data indicates that 2010 and maybe 2012 were hotter still for the world. Heat waves, severe storms, persistent droughts are becoming more frequent and more intense. If, for example, 1/2 of the glacial ice covering the land masses of Greenland and Antarctica melts during the century, and current trends indicate that it will, worldwide sea levels will rise about 1 meter. That's about 3¼ feet. If that happens, about 1 out of every 5 people on Earth will have to move their home because the land they're standing on will be submerged. It looks like it's too late, actually, for the world community to reverse this warming trend. Maybe we can slow down the rate of warming. Maybe not. But what is for sure is that our collective actions will influence the speed and severity of climate change. How many major challenges we are going to face over the next 100 years in adapting to the changing realities of our environment will depend on the decisions we make right now in the arenas of politics, economic policy, and business. I'm Don Plondke, and I teach geography here at Chabot. On Friday, March 15th at 6:30 p.m. in Chabot's Event Center, we'll explore the scientific basis and evidence about the Earth's changing climate and discuss some of the critical issues about how the world's population will cope with the new realities of a changed atmosphere. Please come and enjoy our new event center in Building 700 while it's usable. With rising sea levels, in another 50 years or so, it may well be underwater.